Hello and welcome to Maag ERP. This video will give you a quick tour to Maag ERP software to help you get started. Installation of Maag ERP software. Just go to maagcompusoft.com. First, click on Downloads and then on Maag ERP 9 Plus software button. And then simply follow the installation process. And launch Maag software. Company creation. Press F2 function key and create your company by specifying GSTIN number of your company and other such details. Make sure to select Billing General for business type. As for now, we are working on a general demo. Then click on your company and then click on Maag Gateway. Maag software interface. This is the main window of Maag software, where first you see the title bar and below this is the menu bar. At the left-hand side, you see recently viewed reports. At the right-hand side, you see certain shortcut keys which you use on daily basis. You can create these shortcut keys according to your own convenience. By clicking on Update Dashboard, you can view an updated dashboard which shows your company's financial details in brief. Ledger Master. From the Masters menu, you can create Ledger Master. You will first select the accounts group under which you wish to create the ledger. For example, if you are creating a ledger of customer, then select Sundry Debtors, and if you are creating a supplier's ledger, then select Sundry Creditors Supplier, and if you are creating a ledger of a bank, then select Bank Accounts Group. Let's create a ledger of a supplier. On this window, specify all the details of this ledger. Now, let's create a ledger of a customer. Let's create a ledger of bank. HSN or SAC Master. From the Masters menu, you'll select HSN or SAC Master. Press F2 to create a new HSN. Specify the code of the HSN and any short name of your own understanding and other details. Product Master. You can create Item Master from the Masters menu to maintain your inventory. Press F2 to create a new item. Specify the name of your product and select its respective HSN code. Specify other details and save the item. Purchase. From the transaction menu, you can do the entry of purchases. Press Enter and select the ledger of the supplier. Keep pressing Enter until the items window will appear. Here you will select the product which you are purchasing. Specify how much quantity are you purchasing and the purchase rate of the product. Keep pressing Enter. Below, you will be able to see all the GST-related details of the bill. Then, press the End key to save the bill. Press Enter to print the bill. Sale. From the transaction menu, you can do the entry of sale. Press Enter and select the ledger of cash if you are doing cash billing or the customer's ledger. Then press Enter twice and select the product which you are selling. Specify the quantity of the product, the sale rate, and then press Enter. Below, you will find GST-related details of the bill. Press the End key to save the bill and then Enter to print the bill. Voucher creation. From the Accounts menu, you can do the voucher entries of receipt. Press Escape if you are generating a new reference adjustment or spacebar to select the bill against which the receipt is made. Then press Enter. Similarly, you can do the entry of payment. You can also do the contra entry. Reports. The Books menu allows you to take a look at your sale register, purchase register, all ledgers, duties and taxes, outstandings, etc. And here in the final reports, all types of final reports are available like trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, etc. Let's take a quick look at the balance sheet. You can keep pressing Enter to view the balance sheet in detail. Here in Stock menu, you can generate all types of stock reports. In Daily Reports menu, there are 99% reports available which are used or viewed on daily basis. Filing GSTR with Maag ERP. You can view GST returns related reports and file GST through GST Register and Returns option. From this window, you can file all types of GST returns like GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR3B, etc. Let's have a look on how to file GSTR1. Enter the time period for which you are filing the return. Then click Show. You can generate JSON file directly from Maag software, which gets saved in the GST returns folder of Maag folder. This JSON file can now be uploaded to the GST portal. Once the JSON file is created, log into the GST portal. Go to Services and click on Returns. Select the return filing period and then click on Search and click on Prepare Offline under GSTR1. Choose the JSON file created by Offline tool, submit the return and e-sign. That's it! You have successfully filled your GSTR1